guys? I hope you're all doing well. My name is Sean and welcome to your very first tutorial in ROS. Now, in this tutorial series, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna show you guys how to use ROS to implement some awesome robotics algorithms. And so if you are electrical engineering, mechanical engineering or computer science student who is very interested in robotics, you're in the right place. And let's moving on and see what is ROS and what it can do. At the very beginning, let's start to explain what is ROS. The ROS is the Robot Operating System, and it's a set of software libraries and tools that help you build the robot applications, and it's completely open source. The ROS can install in many operating systems, but it has the best performance in Linux, and it only supports two platforms, the Ubuntu and the Debian. Additionally, the main programming languages we're gonna use are C++ and Python. So in the future tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use ROS to finish some projects depends on the Ubuntu and the C++. So now you can directly install the Ubuntu or you can use the virtual machine. And I recommend the later one personally because the virtual machine is like the computer inside the computer which will not have any influence with your original operating system. It's a separate. So how can we get the virtual machine? The VirtualBox is the most popular one, but I like the virtual machine from the VMware. So if you got the VMware.com, and it's entirely free by the way, we can use the VMware player for Windows or VMware Fusion for the Mac. After you install the VMware, there is another things we need to do because we don't even have the operating system yet. So we need to go to the ubuntu.com and click the desktop, download, and 6.04 is the latest version, and LTS stands for the long-term support, which means it's very security and stable. And click download here. Well, instead of pay anything, you can hit not now, take me to the download. So let's go ahead and it will start downloading it. So after we finish our download, we can open our VMware and double click install from the disk images. Oh, I just clean item. We can directly check the file we downloaded before and continue, and have to set up our username, account name, password, blah blah, and continue. And if you hit finish, you're all set. So just easy like that. Well, at the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching, and in the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to installing and configuring your ROS environment. See you next time.